Clogged arteries can lead to a heart attack or stroke, but the good news is that with the right diet, you can keep your arteries clean so they don't clog. So what foods should you be eating? In this video, you will learn what foods to eat to prevent plaque buildup in your arteries. But first, why are arteries so delicate? Arteries play a crucial role in the functioning of the heart by delivering oxygen-rich blood to the heart muscle itself. As well as to the rest of the body, the heart, like any other organ, requires a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients to perform its functions effectively. The coronary arteries are the blood vessels that supply oxygen-rich blood to the heart muscle. When these arteries become narrow or blocked due to buildup of plaque or cholesterol, it can restrict blood flow to the heart muscle, leading to chest pain or discomfort known as angina, in severe cases, a heart attack. Here are 10 foods that keep your arteries at their best. Number 1. Beans and legumes. Legumes are good for your arteries because they contain fiber, minerals, and plant protein. Studies have shown that eating at least 3 cups of legumes a week reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease, including coronary artery disease. Pulses like lentils, peas, and beans are also what you should incorporate into your diet if you want your arteries to remain unclogged. The fiber in beans and legumes help to control bad cholesterol levels. Not only that, it improves the functionality of your arteries and even reduces your chances of getting type 2 diabetes, which causes clogged arteries. You can snack on legumes, bake them, use them as spreads, and add them to sauces, stews, and salads. They are suitable as the first food of the day, a side dish, lunch, or dinner. Number 2. Berries. You can never go wrong with berries. They are good for the arteries because they have a low glycemic index. Low glycemic foods reduce some risk factors for heart conditions like bad cholesterol, diabetes, and even blood sugar levels. If you're at risk of coronary artery disease, berries should be in your meals because they prevent blood sugar spikes. Berries contain plant compounds like anthocyanins with anti-inflammatory properties. Anthocyanins and quercetins have been linked to a decrease in heart disease and attacks. They also contain fiber, which is good for the arteries because they reduce bad cholesterol and inflammation. Research has shown that eating berries are linked to lower heart disease or attack. You can snack on berries, use them as toppings, or add them to your salads. Number 3. Fatty fish. As you may know, high levels of bad cholesterol lead to plaque buildup in your arteries. Researchers have concluded that foods rich in saturated fats are unhealthy for the heart, so you should eat foods containing unsaturated fat, which is healthy. Fatty fish are a good source of unsaturated fat to begin with. They contain good fats like omega-3 fatty acids, which can keep your arteries clean. Salmon, tuna, sardines, and mackerel are fatty fish for healthy arteries. The American Heart Association has recommended eating fatty fish at least twice a week so as to reduce plaque buildup. Plaque buildup in the artery could consist of fat, cholesterol, or calcium. This usually leads to a heart attack, but omega-3 fats prevent your arteries from getting hardened and clogged. Fatty fish also reduce triglycerides in your blood and improve your heartbeat. Instead of topping your foods with red or organ meat, you can choose fatty fish. Whether you love them cooked, grilled, or fried, you're on the right path for your arteries. Although you can get the omega-3 fats supplemented in capsules, the best option remains eating the fish for the best of the nutrients. Number 4. Citrus fruits. You need your arteries to remain in good health to distribute oxygenated blood to other parts of your body properly. Eating citrus fruits can keep your arteries clean. Citrus fruits like lemons, tangerines, limes, oranges, and grapefruits contain flavonoids, polyphenolic compounds. Flavonoids effectively reduce inflammation and prevent oxidized bad cholesterol in the body, so citrus fruits help prevent these cholesterols from forming. Studies have linked citrus fruits to a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Besides lowering bad cholesterol, it also reduces sugar levels and blood pressure. Not only that, citrus fruits raise good cholesterol, which your arteries need to function well. You can add some citrus fruits to your diet or a little to your drinking water. Number 5. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are heart-friendly vegetables that work perfectly for your heart. The reddish vegetable contains lycopene, which is responsible for the pigmentation of tomato fruit. Lycopene is known to raise good cholesterol levels. The lycopene in tomatoes and their products is linked to reducing the risk of cardiovascular conditions. If you add olive oil to your tomato sauce or stew, you're doing a lot of good for your heart, and researchers report that eating cooked tomatoes is better for your arteries than raw tomatoes. Number 6. Extra virgin olive oil. If you love to cook with olive oil, you're doing the right thing, but you may just want to use it more. Extra virgin olive oil contains monosaturated fat, a kind of fat that is healthy for your heart. Studies have shown that using olive oil to prepare meals instead of butter is healthier and reduces cardiovascular risk. Monosaturated fats like olive oil are linked with increasing good cholesterol. Extra virgin olive oil is known to lower bad cholesterol and leading cause of clogging arteries. Olive oil contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory plant compounds known for reducing inflammation, preventing harmful cholesterol from oxidizing, lowering blood pressure, and reducing the clumping of platelets in the blood. In addition, extra virgin olive oil improves your blood vessels and heart function thanks to its polyphenol content. Cooking your meals with extra virgin olive oil also improves your blood sugar levels, and studies reveal that olive oil lowers the chances of type 2 diabetes. Number 7. Seeds and nuts. Nuts and seeds are common foods that we have around us. We even snack on them sometimes. The good thing about this food is that it is rich in nutrients that will clear your arteries and help them stay healthy. Nuts contain protein, fiber, minerals, and vitamins. These nutrients will keep plaque from forming in your arteries. What's more, omega-3 fatty acid, a heart-friendly unsaturated fat, is present in nuts and seeds. A healthy cardiovascular system includes clean arteries because clogged arteries with fat and cholesterol can lead to a heart attack or failure. So, eating proteinous foods such as nuts and seeds helps you build muscle and manage your weight, which is good for your arteries. Furthermore, snacking on nuts or adding them to your meals lowers the risk of atherosclerosis by improving blood sugar levels, reducing bad cholesterol, and boosting good cholesterol. Walnuts and almonds are some nuts you can have or incorporate into your diet. A high amount of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids are present in these nuts, which are nutrients your arteries need to stay clean and healthy. Number 8. Dark and leafy vegetables. You should not sleep on dark and leafy vegetables when it comes to your arteries' health. So, what is in dark and leafy vegetables that will clean your arteries? Fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients in leafy vegetables will keep your arteries clean. Some leafy green vegetables like spinach, beets, Swiss chard, spinach, kale, lettuce, and arugula are perfect for your arteries. The potassium in leafy vegetables prevents minerals from hardening in the walls of your arteries, which can obstruct your arteries from distributing oxygenated blood, while the dietary fiber in green vegetables reduces inflammation and helps blood vessels function well. In addition to helping your artery walls, leafy vegetables reduce your blood sugar level and lower cholesterol, both risk factors for heart attack. Number 9. Oatmeal. With oats, the chances of arterial plaque buildup will be low. This is because oats are fibrous foods that slow digestion and satisfy you. The urge to eat food all the time can prompt you to eat junk and processed foods, which can harm your arteries, but oats counter that and keep you full for a long time. Researchers report that people who eat oats have lower inflammatory markers and low lipoprotein levels, which is bad cholesterol. Especially steel-cut or slow-cooked oats. When you take the fibers from oats, you don't need medical help to distribute blood to your body parts. If you love to eat pancakes or other baked products, you can replace a quarter of the flour with oats just for the sake of your arteries. Number 10. Cocoa and dark chocolate. You only loved eating chocolate as a child, you would never have thought you would have to eat this as an adult. Well, if you have to eat dark chocolate to keep your arteries free from obstruction, there's nothing childish in it. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, a plant compound good for the arteries. Flavonoids improve dietary nitrate, which is good for blood flow and reducing blood pressure and inflammation. Studies reveal that eating cocoa products reduces the risk of cardiovascular conditions and helps prevent plaques that may want to surround your arterial lining. If you enjoy dark chocolate, look for those low in sugar and have a cocoa content of at least 70%. Every organ in your body is important, and the well-being of one means that well-being of the entire body. To keep your heart healthy, choose foods that will keep your arteries clean at all times. In addition to dieting, you must abstain from smoking, exercise regularly, eat low cholesterol foods, and manage your stress levels. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out.